So Nirmala Sitharaman ji has announced 24-25 budget, and that budget specifically has a focus towards Annadata. And the Annadata has been struggling for the past so many years for its market. Annadata has been struggling for the right varieties. Annadata has been struggling from the right practices for growing their crops. So the current focus of the budget definitely talks about two important things. One is the productivity enhancement, second is the climate resilience. And these two important pieces are very important for the growth and for visioning a 2047 of developed country. If we talk about these two areas, the launching of 109 varieties is a right step from the government of India. It is important to highlight in the earlier budget, only 6.5% has been spending on the R&D, which is towards the DARE. This enhancement would further help overall development of research and development and going additional budgets for the research and development piece. Additionally, if we talk about the natural farming is an important step because the kind of agri-input which has been going into the overall crops, this is increasing the cost of production. The natural farming would really help the farmers to get into the right production practices, and bio-input centers would really help and benefit the overall ecosystem of the country towards the right production. Additional important point is towards pulses and oilseeds Atmanirbharta. This is a very important step. If we talk about more than 50% of our oilseeds is what we import. There are trillions of amount of money which we spend for getting this import. This particular Atmanirbhar program would really help in self-sufficiency of the country towards oilseeds and pulses. Towards export, if we talk about the shrimp export, which is one of the largest in the country, these centers, the processing infrastructure, NABARD's assistance in the loan would really help in terms of getting the right infrastructure in place at a right interest. Another important point is the digital infrastructure which is going to come for the farmer. Getting a part of about 6 crore farmers for the Kharif crop is a very important step. Because if we see from the overall program perspective, getting farmers into the ecosystem, providing them the right process, providing them the right input in terms of technology is a very important step for their artificial intelligence areas and new step towards the productivity enhancement. So overall, the budget has been on the right step. It will really help the farmers to look forward and really help in the ecosystem to drive the way forward and getting a country by 2047 a developed nation.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।